For apple, red and sweet, a yummy fruit that we love to eat.
B for ball, we bounce and throw, roll it fast or make it go. C for cat, soft and sly, it purrs and naps when you walk by.
D for dog with a wagging tail, it runs and barks along the trail.
E for elephant, big and grand, with a trunk that swings like a band. F for fish, it swims so fast, in water deep it splashes past. G for goat, it climbs up high, on hills and rocks reaching the sky. H for hat, wear it on your head, yellow, blue, or bright red.
I for ice cream, cold and sweet, a tasty treat we love to eat.
J for jelly, jiggly and fun, it wiggles and dances in the sun.
K for kite, flying high and free,
up in the sky above the tree. L for lion, strong and loud, he roars so big and stands so proud. M for monkey, jumping with glee, swinging from branch to branch in a tree. N for nest, safe and round, where baby birds are often found. O for orange, juicy and bright, a citrus fruit, a tasty bite. P for pencil, we used to write letters and numbers, day or night. Q for queen, with a golden crown, she rules the castle in her gown. R for rabbit, hopping around, soft and furry without a sound. S for sun, shining in the sky, it warms the world as it passes by. T for train, on the track, clickety-clack, it goes and back. U for umbrella, when rain falls down, it keeps you dry all through the town. V for van, big and wide, hopping fast, enjoy the ride. W for watch ticking away, telling the time every day. X for xylophone, ding ding ding, tap the bars and hear it ring. Y for yak, with fur so thick, he lives in mountains, strong and quick. Z for zebra, black and white, running fast with all its might. Now you know your ABC, clap your hands and sing with me.